Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to unmute notes on Instagram. For example, if you open Instagram here and if you click on Instagram direct message, then here you can find the option of notes. If you are not finding any kind of notes here, then which means you have muted notes for someone or everyone on Instagram, then how you can unmute notes on Instagram for anyone on your Instagram profile. For this you have to simply click on the profile. After that you have to click on three lines. In three lines you have to click on settings. In settings you have to simply click on privacy, and after that you have to scroll down and here you have to click on muted accounts. As you can see, there are two persons which I have muted notes for, and if I want to unmute that notes, then how I can do that. For this I have to click on that person profile. After that, now if I want to unmute that person, then if I click on three dots, then here I do not find any option here. So how I can unmute that person notes. For this you have to click on the following button here, and here you have to simply search for mute here. As you can see, the option is available of notes, which means you have turned on this toggle, which means notes from that person will be turned off. Now if you want to unmute that note, so you have to simply turn off this toggle. After that, that person notes will be turned unmuted. In this way you can simply see that person notes in your notes section. Now I will tell you how you can check whether it is unmuted or not. So you have to again click on the settings, and after that you have to go to privacy and you have to muted accounts again. And as you can see, that person is not available in muted notes section. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.